So now we have studied about the particular polio infection, and we will check ourselves like how much thing we know about this particular infection. Like I have a set of 10 multiple choice question, like we will check like how much we can answer in this particular topic. So I'm going to question number 1. So here the polio virus is an example for, like we have 4 options. One is going to be the ssRNA. What is ssRNA? It is going to be single stranded RNA virus, and we have something called ssDNA, single stranded DNA virus, and option C is going to be double stranded RNA virus. Option D is going to be the double stranded DNA virus. So you all know our polio virus is going to be one of the RNA virus. So with the help of this, like we are going to rule out option B and option D. So here we are left with only 2 options. One is single stranded RNA virus and another is going to be the double stranded RNA virus. So the classical example for double stranded RNA virus is going to be our wheel shaped rotavirus. So we are going to rule it out. So we have our only one option, that is a single stranded RNA virus. So here the polio virus is going to be an example for single stranded RNA virus. So with this, like we are moving on to multiple choice question number 2. So here the polio virus bind to which receptor for initiation of infection. So you all know, like whenever like we study about the particular virus, any virus, like it will be going and attaching to certain receptor. So here the question asked is the particular receptor which is pertaining to the polio virus. So we have been provided with 4 options. Option number A is going to be the CCR5 receptor. Option B is going to be the ACE2 receptor. And option C, nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, and option D is going to be the CD155 receptor. So you all know like what is the use of CCR5 receptor. CCR5 receptor is for HIV. Okay. And there is something called ACE2 receptor. What is the purpose of ACE2 receptor? What is the full form of ACE2 receptor? It is going to be the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor. So it is going to be acting as a receptor for COVID virus in the human lung. So particular ACE2 receptor is for COVID-19 virus. And the third option is going to be the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, like as we have learned about this particular rabies infection in the past class. So here is going to be the rabies virus which is going to go on attached to the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor and is going to mediate the infection. So here the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor is for what infection? It is for rabies infection. And we are left with only one option, that is the CD155 receptor. So the option for the polio virus, it is going to be our CD155 receptor, which is going to be present on dendritic cell and the macrophages. This is a particular CD155 receptor is a receptor like over which the particular virus is going to get attached and going to initiate the infection. So the option is going to be our CD155 receptor, which is the receptor for polio virus. So with this, like we are moving on to the next multiple choice question. So polio virus cause which type of myelitis? So like as we have studied in the starting, like we have like 2 type of myelitis. So here the option provided, option A is white matter myelitis. Option B is going to be the transverse myelitis. Option C is going to be the leukomyelitis. Option D is going to be the gray matter myelitis. So the option provided, like there are actually only 2 options here. So all the white matter myelitis is also called as the transverse myelitis and leukomyelitis. So option A, B and C is going to be a single option actually. So both the transverse myelitis and leukomyelitis, it is called as white matter myelitis, which is seen in infection like HIV infection. And we have the second option, that is the gray matter myelitis. So here the option like which we are going to exclude is going to be our A, B, C option is going to get excluded. So the white matter myelitis, transverse myelitis and leukomyelitis, all the myelitis is going to be same. It is going to be the white matter myelitis. So we are left with only one option. So the polio virus is going to cause something like gray matter myelitis.